everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back to your YouTube channel, English Anus. In today's video, we are going to talk about phrasal verbs with break, okay? I am going to talk to you guys, or I'm going to teach you some phrasal verbs with break. You probably know the meaning of phrasal verbs as you already know it. Phrasal verbs is a verb plus a preposition. Ok, c'est un verbe plus une préposition et généralement qui change sens verbe là. Alright? The first phrasal verb that I bring for you today is break up. Alright? The first is
break up.
Break up. We say break up. When you break up with somebody, you end the relationship with that person. Or you end a friendship. On admet ou gen yon moun ke ou te reme avel ou bien ou te gon amitié avec moun sa. Aussitôt que ça pas ka marcher encore, il nous dit préféré que nous bay vague. Okay? You need to break this relationship up. Alright? You say break up a relationship with somebody. C'est ça nous ele nous séparer, nous bay vague. And the second phrasal verb that I bring for you with break is break out.
Break out?
It is break out. What does that mean exactly, guys, when you break out? Break out means you escape a place. So when I say you escape, c'est ça nous ele ou sauver. Alright, you can use also the word flee. Généralement, après ça, nous utilisons dans prison. If you escape a prison, that means you leave the prison without permission. Now you say you break out. Alright? And the next phrasal verb that I bring for you here, we have break in. Break in.
Break in.
Alright. Break in. What does that mean, guys? When you break in a place, when you enter in a place without permission or by force, you enter in a place unlawfully. When I say unlawfully, on va ko fait de façon illégale. On admet moun nan gen magasin li gen kay li, puis ou même ou décider nan nuit rentrer kay moun nan pour soit al voler en affaire. Now you say you break in the person's house. That is an illegal thing or unlawful thing, okay? You should not break in somebody's property. Ou pas supposé rentrer dans espace ou propriété privée en moun. And the next one, guys, we have break down. We say break down.
Break down.
If something breaks down, guys, it fails or it ceases to function. When I say cease to function, it suspend fonctionner. Je veux dire, bagay ça, li pa marcher encore, li pa fonctionner. Par exemple, vous avez une machine, malheureusement, ou pas jamais faire service à temps avec, ou pas jamais, par exemple, l'heure pour changer l'huile, ou pas faire ça. Il y a un petit service où tu dois faire dans la machine, malheureusement, pas jamais faire. Eh bien, quand vous avez besoin de start machine, li pa ka fonctionner encore just because it breaks down. Ça veut dire, bagay qui suspend fonctionner. Alright? We say break down. And the next one, guys, we have breakthrough.
Breakthrough.
This is breakthrough. And I know this might be a little bit challenging for you. We say through. All right, let's say it with me. We say through. We say breakthrough. What does that mean, guys, when you break through? Breakthrough means overcome or difficult situation. Overcome, c'est ça que nous relè ou surpasser ou bien surmonter yon bagay quelconque. OK, ou ka gon difficulté ou rencontrer, ou faire face avec et puis lorsque ou vient arriver résoudre tout problème que gagne ou parler de overcome. You overcome an obstacle. Par exemple, on dit ou son monde qui te gagne du mal pour parler en public, mais à l'aide de entraînement qu'on fait ou bien pratique qu'on fait, à la fin, you've been capable. Now you break through. You are finally be able to speak publicly. All right. And the next phrasal verb for you is break down. Okay.
Break down.
We have another meaning for break down. Ça c'est l'autre définition pour break down. All right. Break down means digest. When I say digest, c'est ça n'a pas de digest food, for example. C'est ça n'a pas de digérer ou manger. Par exemple, lorsque ou fin prend manger, ou mettez dans bouche ou mastiquer, après ça, vous avez besoin de petit temps. Okay, your stomach will take a bit of time to digest that food, or if you don't want to use the word digest, you can use break down. All right, your stomach will take some time to break the food down. And the last phrasal verb is
break down.
Break down again. Son l'autre sens que break down ça gagne. Break down ça lui-même when you explain something to somebody in detail. C'est lorsque vous expliquez un moun yon bagay avec un pile soin, avec tout petit détail que ça a demandé. For example, I am your teacher now and I am trying to break down these phrasal verbs for you. M'a essayé expliquer tout phrasal verbs ça yo afin que ou même ou capable comprendre yo. Okay? And I just break them down for you so that you can understand them. I say break down, say explain something in details. And I hope you can say them with me before leaving, guys. We have break up. All right? We say break up. And the second is break out. The third one, we have break in. The phrasal verb is pronounced like break in. All right? And we have break down. This is the first meaning of break down. We have fail or cease to function. This is the first meaning. We have break through. This is so challenging, and I hope you can practice it at home, guys. All right, say break through, through. All right, and the next is break down. We have third breakdown on the board. This is the second. And the last one is break down again. The last when you explain something to somebody in details. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like it, share it to somebody. Don't forget, my name is Regence and I love you.